SEO and content writing for business website. Keeping a website with regular and updated content is an important element of any online marketing plan. But it's not just about putting up random copy. Search engines are getting smarter and will actually penalize websites with duplicate and SEO-unfriendly content. So, it's very important to understand how to write original, keyword-rich content that will also be appealing to your target audience. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of ranking higher in the search engine results for your target keywords. A good SEO strategy can help you gain more traffic from search engines. The key to a good SEO strategy is a keyword strategy. So, it's very important to choose a keyword for your business website. A keyword is a word or phrase that people use to find content on Google. This keyword will help you get found on Google, which will in turn drive more traffic to your website. By optimizing your website and its contents from SEO point of view, you can make it easier for people to find you and make it easier for search engines to find your website. This is where BKM Marketing Hub comes in and helps create quality content, SEO-friendly and SEO-optimized content, and manage that for your business website. Book 20 minutes free consultation with our agency, where our SEO-driven content writing team of experts will explain you everything in detail and take your business a way forward. Contact us on WhatsApp, +9191 336 92003, contact@marketinghub.com. Like and subscribe for more content like this.